Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I have another crafty haul to share with you guys today, and this is just more Christmas crafty items for my December daily album. I told you I was really inspired and I'm motivated right now, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and share what I picked up. So I stopped by this little scrapbooking store in my area, a local crafting store, and they have a lot of really nice paper collections and scrapbooking items. So y'all know I have the Snap album for my December daily for this year, so I wanted to pick up some of these page pockets. I keep saying page pockets, pocket pages for the album. So these are a little bit different from the ones that came in the album. These have areas where you can put 4x4 photos and 2x8. So like this. So I thought that was neat. So I'm going to incorporate some of these into my album. And as a matter of fact, I have a couple of photos from Christmas of 2019 that I want to incorporate into this album, and it's going to be a part of my reasons why page, I believe, because they were some of the last really happy Christmas photos I had with my dad before he died. So that's going to be a part of my reasons why, and the photos are 4x4s, so I thought this would be perfect. So I picked that up. Also, I got some of these little Snap photo flip pockets that I wanted to try these out. So yeah, got those, and I got some more papers, and so I just got a few of the open stock papers that they had, and these are Home for Christmas by Carta Bella. So these are 4x4 cut apart, which will be perfect for the pocket pages that I picked up. And so I'm going to incorporate that in the album. This is what the back looks like. It has the Christmas trees on the back, but I really got it for the cut aparts. So yeah. And I got this one as well. And I'm sure I'm not going to use all of these for my album. So I probably will be coming on to do a probably a video doing some of my Christmas cards, and these cut aparts make really fast and easy Christmas cards. So yeah, just add a couple of embellishments, maybe a ribbon, a card base, and you got a nice Christmas card. So that's probably what I'll do, the ones that I don't use in my album. Here's another set, and I love these. These go really well on card fronts as well. So here are the 2x2s, I believe these little squares are. Now I couldn't find any pocket pages with the 2x2 squares. I could use my fuse tool to fuse some of my pocket pages, but I'm not sure if I want to do that, but that is an option. So I did pick this one up, and the back of it has the stripes. Let's see, the back of this one has snowflakes, and what's that? And the other one was the trees. And then here's some 4x6 cut aparts right here. And like I say, these make really good landscape cards. And the back is plaid. That one. So yeah, this one really thick, sturdy cardstock too. So I got those. I also got this, which I'm gonna come on and do a video to show how easy these card kits are. So this is my first time getting one of these card kits, and this is the Simple Stories Joyful Greetings card kit, and it gives you all of the items needed to create 8 cards. So everything you need, it says everything you need, including card bases, chipboard pieces, die cuts, and step-by-step instructions. So you don't have to do any cutting. You just add adhesive. So that is perfect right here for fast, simple cards. So everything comes together in this card kit. So yeah, I'll probably film the video showing you guys me assembling, because you're really not having to put any thought into it. You're just basically assembling the cards. So yeah, I'll probably film while I'm doing it, just to show you guys in case y'all might be interested in trying these card kits. But this is really pretty, and I love this paper collection. I love this paper collection. It's really pretty. And I also picked up the these are like thickers, but they're the foam stickers, and that comes from this same collection. So this is really, really nice. It says Ho 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 Peace, Jingle, Santa, Merry, Cozy, December, Believe, Joyful, and this is Magical down here. Really, really nice. And the last items I got was this collection right here. These are some chipboard stickers, and this is Simple Stories Holidays collection. So this is the one that has the pink and like the teal colors. And this is that collection. I'm going to open this one. Pull it out. Alright. Oh, this is really pretty. So, you have this one. These colors are really vibrant. You have this one with the gift packages. You have the polka dots. Plaid. This one here. So I definitely will be doing some card making videos, some holiday card making videos to share with y'all. Here is this one. I like this one. It has all the tags. And the back also has the back of the tag. So you can, it's double-sided tags like that. Here's more cut-aparts that have a lot of journaling space, which is great for my December daily. Here is a page that I really like because I could incorporate some of these numbers if I wanted to. A lot of people use these to do like those advent calendars, or but this could definitely be used. The numbers on here could definitely be used in your December daily, which I probably will, because I'm gonna like change it up. I'm not gonna have all the same kind of numbers on my pages. So here's another cute one, and that's the back of that. Yeah, I'm gonna be making some really fast and easy cards this year. I'm not gonna do a whole lot of like stamping and coloring. I'm not gonna do a whole lot of all of that. Just fast and simple cards is what I'm gonna be shooting for. Pretty, but fast and simple. So I love these sticker sheets because these are great also for when you're making those fast and simple cards or tags, all of the little images. Yeah, but that is the collection. And probably I will finish up mapping out my December daily album, and the next video that I will come on and share will be probably how all of my foundation pages will kind of be. So after that, there probably won't be any more of the December daily until December actually rolls around, when I'm doing my stories and adding my pictures. And I'm sure I'll be probably changing some stuff up, adding some embellishments as well. So yeah, that's probably how I'm going to do it. The next video that I'll share with you guys will be just showing you how I laid out, or how I mapped out all of my foundation pages. And then I'll put the album away until December 1st. But yeah, that was my little crafty haul. If you guys like this video and videos like these, please give me a thumbs up. Please click that thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed and you would like to subscribe to my channel, just click that button that says subscribe, and click that little bell in the corner as well, so you'll be notified when I upload a video. And until my next one, I will see you. Bye.